Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new episode of Immigration Fridays. I'm your host, Prashanti Vedi, and we're here again to navigate the ever evolving maze of US immigration. This week, we will discuss the new USCIS guidance on OPT extensions and other student issues. So, what does the new policy guidance say? The new policy guidance clarifies that students may count one class or 3 credits during each semester towards a full course of study if that class is taken online or remotely. So essentially what it is they're allowing one class to be taken remotely and it will still be counted towards a full course of study. Physical attendance is not required for that one class. The policy further explains that students may transfer SEVP certified schools at the same educational level or move between educational levels, meaning that they can transfer from one school to the other, or within the same school they can move between different degrees. The policy guidance further explains after OPT is over, there is a 60 days grace period. During that grace period, students may change their educational level, they may transfer to another school or file an application with USCIS to change their status to a different status. So all these are clarifications issued in the policy guidance. This just helps students understand what they can and cannot do. The policy goes on to clarify that students may be eligible for post-completion OPT after completion of either an associate's degree, a bachelor's degree, a master's degree, or even a PhD. So it's not that post-completion OPT is available only for people who have a bachelor's degree, who have completed a bachelor's degree or a master's degree. Even an associate's degree or a PhD can use post-completion OPT. The policy further clarifies or actually corrects the time during which students may apply for STEM OPT or extensions and make other technical corrections. So the policy guidance makes some technical corrections and also clarifies when a student may apply for STEM OPT extension. So in general, a student may submit a properly filed I-765 application for OPT 90 days before the expiration of the F1's current post-completion OPT EAD and no more than 30 days after their DSO enters the STEM OPT recommendation into CVIS. So you can file maximum of 90 days before the expiration of your previous OPT, and you have to file at least within 30 days of when the DSO enters a recommendation for STEM OPT. So there's a 90 and 30 day window within which you have to file. The policy guidance, last but not the least, clarifies that a student enrolled in an ICE SEVP certified school during the study abroad program may study abroad for a period of 5 months. If the study abroad program lasts less than 5 months, then the student will not need a new I-20. If the study abroad program lasts more than 5 months, then the student will need a new I-20. So they're clarifying that you can continue to maintain your F1 status and also enroll in a study abroad program. Now, with reference to this clarification, how does this clarification make students' lives easier? Does it make it easier or does it make it more hard? Any clarification always makes the students' lives easier because they now know clearly what to do and what not to do. Immigration law by itself is complex, and students and the law related to students is even more complex as to what you can do, when to apply for STEM OPT, how long can you be out of the country, various questions. How many classes can you take online, etc., etc. There's always questions surrounding F1 students. So this policy guidance does clarify what you can do and cannot do, so it makes life much easier. Quick tip for students, as I was just saying, immigration law is complex, so always take immigration advice. Talk to your immigration attorney before you make any decisions with reference to your status. Don't go to online websites because sometimes they may be correct and sometimes they may not be. So with that, that's a conclusion of this episode. for Immigration Friday, and hope to see you next week with more information with reference to immigration laws. Thank you very much for listening. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our videos if you like what you see. Also, give us a thumbs up and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you.